Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Sorry, I've been MIA for quite a while because, life. And for today's video, andito ulit ako sa aming kitchen because we're gonna organize our mini pantry sa loob ng mga cabinets because I have been putting that off for sobrang tagal na. So whenever we have to do grocery, we already know kung ano yung mga items na meron pa kami and already about to expire and we won't waste money. So hopefully organize natin siya ng mas makikita yung mga bagay na dapat makita at mga bagay na dapat magamit na. For the previous weeks, I tried to buy some organizing stuff from Shopee. So let's see kung magagamit natin sila. And this is just for like beginners who wants to try and organize their kitchen. Because I also tried to watch Netflix the home edit. So I got inspired to do some organizing here sa bahay. At actually, matagal ko naman na siyang plano. Hindi ko lang talaga ginagawa. Kasi ayun nga, nagdoble-doble yung mga things namin sa pantry. And if we have to cook, then we don't know where the items is, but we know that we have them. So, try natin siyang i-check so that the kitchen is more functional and mas madali siyang magamit. So, we will try the process that was discussed here in the edit. Kailangan munang edit or throw away things that you don't need anymore. And then, you have to categorize. Try natin mag-categorize. And contain. Konti pa lang yung container na and then organizing that I was able to buy from Shopee. Maybe sometime we can add some container. Kasi mas maganda yung meron silang mga maliliit na container. It's more pleasing to the eye. Tapos, ano ba? Contain and yeah, I think that's just it. Last pala is label. So, I don't have that yet and sobrang pangit ng handwriting natin. So, makapunta tayo tomorrow or the next days to the department stores. Alamin ko muna kung ano yung mga labels na kailangan ko before I get them. Samahan nyo ko and see if you're gonna be able to also apply some of the things that I was able to do so that we can be more organized and functional sa ating kitchen. Ayan, so here, I'm just gonna show you the current situation in our kitchen para we have a view. See if we can organize it more. Pero ang focus natin is really the what's inside the cabinets. Ayan. So, we have our stuff here na hindi ko na alam kung anong mga laman. Halo-halo na sila. Snacks, ingredients. So, more stuff here. More space here. Pero, I wanted to maximize this space and really know where things are. Kasi, dumarating yung oras na hindi ko alam kung pag may hinanap yung asawa ko na pangluto. In the upper part of the ref, I'll try to organize that as well kasi I think we can use that for like snacks na bukas na. Even in our dining table, naka-extend pa rin yung mga gamit. Snacks and even ano ba to? Christmas basket pa yata to. Okay, let's start. Actually, medyo malinis-linis dito ngayon as compared to the usual day. Our others go every Friday to clean up. Let's try to get this stuff here. Okay. This one, I like this kasi siya yung umikot-ikot. You can just put your toyo.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life. Shopping. It's my life. Money. Yeah.
Used by me. Expired. 2021 expiration day. Tapon.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life.
medyo na-trauma na ako sa ganito. Oh my God, see it.
It's my life.
Okay, ito na yung mga nakuha natin. Hindi ko pa nga na ibababa yung mga dyan. Ayan. Even on the floor. We're gonna try to categorize now. Start ko na yung mga dapat itapon.
It's my life. It's my life.
Okay, this is just an ice cream container. Maybe you can use it as a ketchup container. Okay, see, I was able to use it as a ketchup holder, ketchup packet holder. Nandito rin ang mga toyo mansi. Oh, it's not good anymore. I don't know what to do anymore. This is a wine bottle, pero I already bought this stuff for suka and toyo. But for the oil, then I just used a recycled one. So the house is we're back! And I was able to, oh my God, I'm so happy. Just one last thing, yung yung IKEA bag pa natin nandito pa. Oh my God, yung IKEA items ko pa na hinol on my last video. I'm really not able to set it up yet. Ay, thank you Lord, I'm almost done! Hi guys! Yes, natapos din. So, I thought I'm not gonna be able to do it. Pero, ayan, natapos din. So, ayan, let me show you first this part. I've transferred the spices into containers. So, this is my plant, and this is actually a live plant. We have our Himalayan salt here. Cute yung color niya since it's pink. So, here, the first one. So, let me just show you. Ta-da! Oh my God! I'm so happy with that! O, diba? Mas okay nang kumuha. Mas sasaya nang kumuha ng snacks dyan kasi hindi na magulo. So, I've arranged it in a way that the expiration date is shown. So, at least makita na namin dyan. And I've recycled some of my bottles again for candies there. So, ayan, lahat ng chocolate and snacking stuff are there. At the top part of this cabinet is our baking stuff. Hindi na kasi masyado nag-bake si hubby. Next cabinet, this is the middle part, yung sa taas ng sink. Look at this! Isn't this magic? Ang saya, o diba? Madali na makakuha ng mga condiments dito and stuff. So, madali siyang makita kasi you can just turn it around. And here, yung ni-recycle ko na tin ng ice cream for the ketchup packets. And ito pa, meron pa isang rotating organizer container. Here naman is our mga refills and cornstarch. And sa taas, yung hindi na masyado mo gamit. That's the second cabinet. And this is the last cabinet that I've arranged today. So, ta-da! I'm happy with it. So, yeah, I've categorized the ingredients more in the pasta part at saka yung mga delata na meron kami. So, ayan. And dito naman, sa dulo, mga pang sweets, coffee things. And sa taas, yung mga snacks and instant noodles. Naturetan ako sa mga feeling ko maraming basura at hindi ko siya ma-arrange na maayos. But I'm actually happy with how it turned out. Ito pa pala, yung isang part I've mentioned, yung taas ng ref. So, that's also gonna be like snack bar and may mga stuff na rin dito na alam ko at least agad kung ano. So, yung breakfast cereal ko and then some juice there. So, ayan. Wala na siya sa lamesa namin. So, this is still not yet the final. arrangement that I'll be doing kasi marami pa tayong mga bagay na dapat ayusin. Bottom part ng cabinets, I haven't really organized it. Here, yung ano lang namin. Pero dito sa part na to, all of these parts are still magulo. So, that's where we put our pan. Ayun yung next na ipa-project natin. So, I might be showing you some more video of kitchen organization. I hope you were able to get some tips or also ideas on how you can organize your kitchen. So, yun. Happy na ako dito kasi maayos na to kaysa dun sa mga daily namin. And there, I will see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye!